What is the difference between moisturizing and hydrating? One of the factors that make your skin soft and supple is delivering enough moisture to the skin, which is often mistaken with skin hydration. But skin hydration is very different from keeping the skin moist, and there are different products for each one of them. So, it is better to know their effectiveness before buying these types of products and prepare according to your needs. Before continuing, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can see new videos every single week. Moisturizing cream is a white and fat cream product that has an appearance between liquid and solid. But does this cream also have the ability to hydrate the skin? The answer is no. Moisturizing cream has completely different properties from hydration cream. If your skin is dehydrated, moisturizing cream is not able to improve it. Also, hydration creams alone are not enough to treat dry skin. If we see certain symptoms on the skin, such as peeling skin, dry spots on the skin or pimples, and open pores, how do we know we need a hydrating cream or moisturizing cream? In this video, we will explain the function of moisturizing cream and hydrating cream separately. What is hydration cream? The function of the hydrator is to supply water to the epidermal layer of the skin, which is created due to the reduction of hydration in the skin. It prevents dryness of the skin by providing your skin with water to make it look plump and bouncy. What is moisturizing cream? The main task of moisturizing creams is to create a protective layer on your skin that prevents the evaporation of moisture from the skin. The skin itself naturally has the ability to produce fat and oil, which makes to prevent dry skin. But if your skin is dry, flaky, or rough and cracked in texture, you likely have dry skin. By using moisturizing creams, you can increase the production of oil in the skin so that your skin reaches a balance in maintaining moisture. Moisturization and hydration complement each other. The task of these two creams is to obtain moisture and softness of the skin. Using hydrating cream and then using a moisturizing cream as a preservative to maintain moisture and durability. It will help the water won't escape from the skin. In general, hydration acts deeply in the skin, and moisturization acts superficially. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to know more about natural treatments, subscribe to the channel.